Thanks for stopping by Ideal Classic Cars of Sarasota, Florida. Today we're looking at a beautiful representation of a 1970 Jaguar XKE convertible. This particular car has gone through a full restoration and looks exactly as it did the day it rolled off the assembly line. When judged by the Milestone Car Society, it received a 97.25 out of 100. Very high score. We're looking at the 4.2 liter inline 6 that produces 246 horsepower. It is mated to a 4-speed manual transmission that is fully synchronized and complemented by an absolutely stunning interior. According to the previous owner, the mileage is believed to be correct at 50,507 miles. Get a good shot. The fit and finish on this car is absolutely stunning. Full wraparound steel bumper in the rear. When this car was first produced, Enzo Ferrari himself called it the most beautiful car ever made. We would definitely have to agree with Enzo's opinion. Thank you for stopping by Ideal Classic Cars.